City of Rochester is now under a state of emergency, both for expected extreme winter weather conditions and a significant water main burst.
That water main break started on the west side of Rochester Wednesday night, causing major flooding. The city is working on repairs before cold temperatures freeze that flooding, which could potentially cause more issues.
Now here's a look at an updated map of affected areas provided by city officials. As a result, a boil water advisory is in place for much of the city, and it forced the shutdown of the Rochester City School District for the remainder of the week. We have team coverage now in this story. Christian Garzone will address the city's emergency management protocols in just a moment, but first, we go to Alex Love, who's reporting much of the city could be under a boil water advisory into Christmas Eve. Alex?
Well, John, as you can see, where I'm standing is off of Favor Street, and this is where the water main break happened just before 5 p.m. on Wednesday. According to Mayor Malik Evans, the pipe that busted was first put down in 1899, causing him to stress that our local infrastructure is in need of major investments. Now, at one point, more than 35,000 gallons of water was gushing from this busted pipeline per minute. The Public Works team has since sealed it off and are using 4 pumps to clear the water out of the way so long-term repairs can be made. Over the next 24 hours, the Monroe County Department of Health will be collecting samples from the water line and test them. If all samples come back clean of any bacteria minerals by Saturday, the boil water advisory could be lifted by Christmas Eve night or just after Christmas morning. Although harsh weather is on the way, bringing temperatures well below freezing, leaders of Rochester Public Works Department say they've secured the scene of the break and repairs should not be delayed.
At this point in time, there's really not going to be much more of an impact or effect on that particular pipe because it's out of service and we're making the repair. As I noted, we've already got redundancy in our system, so those loops are providing water to all of the houses that were done by that. As Dr. Mendoza mentioned, and the question was asked about the areas, we have separate areas that are served by our various reservoirs. So in this case, we were able to, again, loop it around, but still same reservoir, hence the need for the boil advisory and that under those particular boundaries.
Now, after you boil your water, it's important to wait a few minutes and let it cool down to make sure all the bacteria was killed. And lastly, here on Favor Street, as you can see behind me, the scene is still completely blocked off, including the 490 exit off of Main Street. That is still also blocked off. So if you have to drive through this area, make sure you seek alternate routes. Live in Rochester, Alex Love, News 8.
All right, Alex, thank you. For any questions or updates on the boil water advisory affecting your residents, you're asked to call 311. We also have more information on our website at rochesterfirst.com.